Okay, so here we are on day 4, and we are still working with letter J, which stands for J. And I'll just put those right here. There's letter J, upper and lowercase, stands for J. And also QU, which stands for Qu. And we're going to be looking for pictures that begin with the J sound. So if we were writing these, we would write J first because the first sound must be J. So I'm going to read the pictures, and if it begins first sound with J, then I want you to put a circle around it. So here we go. Jet, jet, jacket, jacket, fork, fork, jar, jar, pie, pie, jump rope, jump rope, jam, jam, vacuum, vacuum, and jellyfish, jellyfish. The good thing about videos is you could always pause it and go back if you missed any of those. I like being with you in the classroom, but if you need to, just stop the video and replay the parts you need. Now this page goes with the big book for this week, which we were not able to bring home and read to you. So this page could not be done by you, and you need to put just a big X. I know that I had some questions about that page, but it's just a big X. So before we do your math page, I do want to read this little book with you, and this is the first time I get to read one with you. And this little book has a lot of our Fast as a Snap words in it. Here I Am is the title of this book, and right away you can see the word here, H-E-R-E, and I think we're going to see that a lot in this book. And let's think about vehicles getting from here to there, because I think that there will be some vehicles in this book, and if you've already read it, you might already know that. So let's read the book together. I want you to really pay attention for the word here, and then me. Me has the letters M-E. So let's see if we can find that one also. Can you see me? Here I am on the bus. Oh, here he is, waving. That's who's talking. And because that was a question, my voice went up a little bit. So when you read a question, you want your voice to go up a little bit. Can you see me? Here I am in a van. There's the van. Oh, and this girl is the one who's waving this time. And a van is another vehicle. I am seeing me and here on every page so far. Let's see if you can find them. Can you see me? Here I am in a jet. Wow, lucky person. And there's a person waving. Probably could not see them if they were very high, but it's a book, so we could use our imagination. And our last page, can you see me? Here I am. And there's a boy on a bicycle. Is a bicycle another way, another vehicle from getting from here to there? Think about that question. So I want you to go back through your little book here, and I want you to find the word me. And wherever you find it, I want you to just put a little line under the 2 letters M-E. Just a little line. And then I want you to go back through your book and find the word here and put a circle on it everywhere you find it. And that's an activity for practicing seeing our new Fast as a Snap words. Now, if I have gone too fast on any of these, you can always stop the video for a minute and replay the parts you need. So here is our math page for today, and it's all about make 10. We're only making 10 today. The other pages had 2 numbers. This is all about 10. And since that is a big number, and look at all these circles we would be filling in with our first favorite and second favorite color, today we're just going to put small X's inside the circles. Make them neat. Don't go outside to make them messy. You still need to be able to count them and see them. So for number 1, we're going to use our first favorite color, and we're going to put an X on some of the circles. Then we'll get our second favorite color, and we'll put an X in the rest of the circles. Once we've done that, we'll go to number 2. And for number 2, we're going to use our first favorite color. We're going to use a different number. We're not going to color the same number. So let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in my first favorite color for number 1. I can use all of these, but oops, when I get to number 4, I cannot do that one. I could use 3, but if I want to use a different number, I need to go larger than 4. I can't stop here, okay? You've done a lot of these, so I think that won't be a problem, but it is just for number 10, so you have to think of different numbers to begin with so that you have enough choices. And there are lots of choices because 10 is a pretty big number. So here's how we show some examples. This one is for 1 and 9. And since most of the objects on these next 2 pages are long and skinny, you can just use a line. So use your first favorite color and just draw a line in each object. Now we're only going to show 1 in our first favorite color, 1. And then we have to change to our second favorite color for all the rest, which will be 9. Then get your regular pencil and write the numbers. For this example, we want to use a different number than 1. Maybe we'll use 2 or 3. We just need to use more than 1. Color them with your first favorite color, and then actually you can just use lines for these also. So use a line for your first favorite color, change to your second favorite color, and just draw a line for your second favorite color. Same with the erasers. It just needs to be different from 1. And whatever you chose here. Lots of choices. You can choose a lot of different numbers. This is on my own. And these are long, skinny objects too. So again, just draw lines to show your colors. And then write how many are you in your first favorite color and how many are your second favorite color. So on this page, let's say I choose 6 for my first favorite color. I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I'm changing to my second favorite color. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to write the numbers 6 and 4. And for the other 2 on the page, I cannot use the number 6 for my first favorite color. I need to find different numbers. But like I said, 10 is a big number, so you should have lots of choices. All right, the back is a problem-solving page, and for this page, they already gave us a number to show how to make 10. 1 and 9, 4 and 6, 10 and 0. Sorry, I covered that up when I was pointing to it. Next time I'll bring my pencil and point to it a little farther away. So trace the numbers, and then you need to find a 10 frame that shows this many red and this many yellow. So one of these 10 frames has 1 red and 9 yellow. And you want to draw a line from this number group showing how to make 10 to the 10 frame that shows 1 red and 9 yellow. So look carefully, and when you see it, you're going to draw a line from that 10 frame to 1 and 9. Do the same for 4 and 6. 4 red and 6 yellow. Find the 10 frame that shows 4 red and 6 yellow. Draw a line to that 10 frame. And last, 10 red and 0 yellow. So that's it for day 4. I'll meet you on day 5. See you later.